The Strait of Messina, a strategic bottleneck where the Mediterranean meets the high-velocity hunt for Xiphias Gladius. The Steel Tongue, a specialized 30-meter catwalk designed to position the harpooner directly over the target. The target, the Swordfish, an apex predator capable of speeds exceeding 90 kilometers per hour. The apex of manual skill. Positioning is critical. The shadow of the vessel must never touch the fish. The Frecia, a kinetic masterpiece. Once it penetrates the skin, the wings expand to prevent extraction. Industrial readiness. Modern vessels use hydraulic assistance to stabilize the walkway against the Atlantic swells.
Tactical coordination. The spotter directs the helmsman and the harpooner in a synchronized dance of death.
Helmsman, hard port. Harpooner, stand by.
The tether. Dyneema fiber ensures zero elasticity, providing an instant mechanical connection upon impact. The strike. Gravity and muscular force combined with a 5-meter lever arm for maximum kinetic energy.
The impact. A precise strike to the murillo, the thick muscle behind the head, to ensure a swift capture. The struggle. The fish uses its massive power to dive, but the high-visibility buoy acts as a constant drag.
The retrieval, transitioning from manual strike to industrial extraction. The 5-ton winch begins the slow draw. Ecological behavior. Swordfish often travel in pairs. The one-flow system targets the second fish instantly.
The rostrum, a weaponized upper jaw. The sword is a flat, bone-like structure used to stun prey in the wild.
Secondary securing, using a heavy-duty tail rope to stabilize the fish for vertical lifting. The extraction, lifting the half-ton Titan onto the processing deck. The one-flow remains unbroken.
Industrial hygiene. Constant washing prevents bacterial cross-contamination during the primary cut. Anatomy decoupling. The rostrum is removed, followed to the fins, to streamline the carcass for cooling.
Rapid core cooling, bringing the internal temperature down to 0 degrees Celsius within minutes to preserve the Sashimi Grade. Thermodynamic shielding. The slurry ice penetrates the thick muscle faster than traditional block ice.
Vertical maturation. Hanging the fish ensures the meat fibers remain relaxed, enhancing the final texture. Primary butchery. Dividing the 200-kilogram carcass into 4 high-value loins with 0 waste.
Harvest motion. Capturing the ocean's raw power with industrial precision.
Protective packaging, removing 99% of oxygen to prevent lipid oxidation and preserve the delicate flavor.
Mission completion. Returning with a cargo of white gold from the Mediterranean depths. Seamless transition. From the deck to the global cold chain in under 12 hours.
Total traceability. Every stake can be traced back to the exact second of the harpoon strike.
Autonomous logistics. The one flow extends from the sea to the automated distribution center. Tool restoration. The cycle begins again. The Frecia must be razor sharp for the next encounter.
Mechanical heartbeat, sustaining the power required for the high-speed chase. Preventive maintenance, ensuring the 30-meter lever remains a stable platform for the kill. The culinary finale, the product of the Steel Harpoon, delivered to the world's finest kitchens.
Biological intelligence. The swordfish heats its eyes and brain to hunt in freezing depths.
The human factor. Despite the machines, the final moment belongs to the harpooner's aim.
Collaborative scouting, a network of eyes across the strait to track the migratory path. Line management, preventing tangles that could be fatal to the crew during a high-speed strike.
Structural reinforcement. The deck must withstand thousands of pounds of lateral force.
Harvest motion. Raw.
Subsurface strategy. Hunting at the intersection of warm and cold currents.
The physics of the fight. Kinetic tension translated into a mechanical signal.
Blind pursuit. Using advanced navigation to hunt where the human eye cannot reach.
Biomimicry. The swordfish's skin is an inspiration for modern aerodynamic hull design.
Ocean mastery. Engineering that defies the leverage of the sea.
Laser designation. Modernizing the ancient hunt with light-guided precision.
Ethical termination. Ensuring the highest quality by stopping all neural signals instantly.
The grain of the Titan. A dense, meat-like texture unique to the swordfish.
Thermal autonomy. The ship is a self-contained cold storage factory.
Traction. Maintaining a 100% steady stance on a 30-meter vibrating steel beam. Marine tradition. Knots that haven't changed in 5 centuries, now holding half-ton loads. Harvest motion. Every gram is a testament to the chase. Total utilization. No part of the Xiphias goes to waste.
Thermo packaging. The film shrinks to eliminate all air pockets for a 2-year shelf life.
The Night Watch. The hunt continues under the glow of 50,000-watt LED arrays. The Ventresca. The most prized cut, handled with surgical delicacy. Retraction. Folding the steel tongue as the vessel prepares for high-speed transit.
Digital harvest. Real-time data logging for global seafood markets.
Secondary yields. Discovering the hidden treasures within the colossus.
Micro-maintenance. Friction is the enemy of a successful strike.
Selective harvesting. The harpoon is the world's most sustainable method, with 0 bycatch.
Optical filtering. Cutting through the glare to see the steel of the sea.
Sensory warfare. The fish can feel the ship's vibration, and the ship must move in total silence.
Harvest motion. Tradition meets the future.
Tactical versatility. Choosing the right tool for the specific mass of the target.
Fingertip power. Managing tons of tension with mechanical advantage.
Extreme conditions. The Steel Harpoon waits for no weather.
Safety protocol. The ability to cut the link instantly if the vessel is in danger.
Elastic potential energy. The shaft acts as a spring to propel the Freccia forward.
Molecular preservation. Stopping the release of stress hormones to maintain the meat's sweetness.
Harvest motion. Advanced cryogenics for the global elite.
The final form. A testament to the precision of the Steel Harpoon. The harvester's reward, consuming the strength of the catch.
Metallurgy of the deep. Materials that survive where others corrode.
The search for the Grandmaster. Hunting the 1,000-pound legendary swordfish.
Recovery complete. The tether is severed. The Titan is claimed.
Undersea flight. Understanding the hydrodynamics of the swordfish.
The global link. From the Strait of Messina to the world in 24 hours.
Harvest motion.
Certified.
Verified. Industrial.
Fiber preservation. Salt crystals can act as microblades, damaging the dyneema.
The end of the watch. The sea grows dark, but the hold is full.
The silent guardian. A tool of precision in a world of chaos.
Industrial scaling. One ship, one flow, one global supply.
Locking in the value. Aesthetics of the harvest.
The blueprint of the hunt.
Harvest motion. We honor the fight. We master the harvest.